Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make use of Coinbase. First, you'll need to create an account. This involves providing your email address and setting a strong, unique password. Next, you'll verify your identity, which is a crucial step for security and compliance. You'll typically need a government-issued identification and a quick selfie. Finally, link a payment method, such as your bank account or a debit card, to fund your account. This entire process usually takes just a few minutes to complete, setting you up for your crypto journey. Once your account is set up, buying and selling cryptocurrency is straightforward. Head to the Buy/Sell section within the Coinbase platform. Here, you can choose from hundreds of available cryptocurrencies. Simply select the asset you want, then enter the amount you wish to buy or sell, either in your local currency or the crypto itself. Always review your transaction details carefully, including any fees, before confirming your order. Most transactions are processed almost instantly, allowing you to manage your digital assets efficiently. Managing your crypto portfolio effectively is key. Coinbase provides a clear dashboard to monitor your holdings and track their performance over time. Security is paramount, so enable two-factor authentication immediately. This adds an extra layer of protection. Always use a strong, unique password and consider biometric login for convenience. For larger amounts or long-term storage, many users opt for a hardware wallet, which offers superior security by keeping your assets offline. These practices help safeguard your investments. Coinbase offers more than just basic buying and selling. For experienced traders, Coinbase Pro provides advanced charting tools and lower trading fees. You can also explore Coinbase Earn, a fantastic program where you learn about various cryptocurrencies and earn small amounts of them as rewards. If you ever need assistance, their comprehensive help center and live chat support are readily available. Staying informed about market trends and new asset listings will help you make the most of your Coinbase experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.